When to apply incremental innovation? What can get you noticed is a new category. It can be a radical innovation or disruptive innovation, but what keeps you going is the incremental innovation until a new radical innovation challenges your position. Incremental innovation works within an established innovation framework. Unlike radical or breakthrough innovations, incremental innovation enhances the core competencies through milder technological shifts, and they are less risky. It can respond to customer needs immediately and make minor changes and conceal the previous innovation flaws. Incremental innovation reduces the downside of the previous breakthrough innovation and improves on the innovation by eliminating maximum downsides of radical innovation too. For example, the pharmaceutical innovation is an evolutionary process by reducing its side effects through a constant improvement process through testing, safety measures, efficacy, and utility process. Here, the innovation becomes a continuous process as it is getting tweaked as per the market requirements and changes. Considering the evolutionary nature of incremental innovation, this type of innovation has a predictable continuity above all else. Since the success rate of radical innovations or breakthroughs are amazingly small, incremental innovation helps firms with their ongoing progress with the least risk involved in the process. Moreover, small improvements can add up to significant changes over time and represents continuous learning by researchers, managers, developers, suppliers, and customers. Here, the change is not earth-shattering, and thus it commands less resistance from other team members also. One of the most important aspects of incremental innovation is its capacity to maintain the equilibrium in a volatile change environment. When you can afford to bet in high risky innovation initiatives during volatile times to endure the market fluctuations, smaller changes can come as a relief to attract and retain your customers. Over the period of time, incremental innovation has prescribed a variety of practices like Six Sigma qualities in manufacturing, concurrent engineering, reduced cycle time, just-in-time inventory management, and phase-gate product development systems, just to name a few. These prescriptions were widely adopted and helped many Western companies regain their competitive positions in the world marketplace. Even though most of the focus was on the process rather than the outcome, it did indeed help firms to gain its competitive advantage in reducing cost and increasing the product margins. This worked more like a maintenance of a machine rather than building a different machine altogether.